Part 5, selection and erection of equipment. This is where the largest amount of proposed changes are for the draft for public comments. One of those changes is the introduction of a functional bonding conductor. I'm glad to report that's proposed to be the colour pink. Enclosures. A new note has been added to Regulation 521.5.1 to state that cables can pass through separate holes in an enclosure if the load is less than 200 amps. Do you think this is good industry practice? We'd love to hear your feedback. Cables and walls, prescribed zones. So a new table has been introduced to clarify and simplify cables in walls and where they require additional protection by RCD. And I'm sure that's a most welcome change to everyone using the standard, especially in domestic dwellings. An update has been made to the regulation around coordination between low voltage switchgear, assemblies and overload protected devices. It's been completely rewritten to add clarity to this regulation, and it effectively follows the process of how you select cables and protective devices. This also applies to switchgear and overload protection, so that's a much welcome change. There's been an update to firefighter switches to bring this regulation to more modern language and reflects on other emergency uses. Do you welcome this change? A new section has been proposed, Section 545 for Information and Communication Technology. This is brand new and it focuses around functional and equipotential bonding for ICT applications. With the evolution of new technology, especially in the renewable space, Chapter 51 has also been updated to include additional requirements for generator sets, and that includes solar PV and battery storage. Another new chapter is Chapter 57. It's a whole new section on stationary secondary batteries for the purpose of storage and supply of electrical installations. We're talking about battery storage here, so give this a read. And that concludes Part 5.